was working. Wait. This is not working. This isn't good. That isn't good. Oh, there we go. Boom. Hopefully the audio is working. Hello. So, I will be doing some, I don't know yet. Some. Oh yes, I know what to do now. I can save up for new car in this lot. That makes sense, yes. Go into the garage. Boop. Spawn this one. The models are amazing. I think they're better than Vehicle Simulator. Well, oh no. Oh, wait, never mind. Oh my goodness, brakes. Oh, wrong button. Okay. My version of this recorder thing does not pick up game audio, so hopefully it will work next time. Hopefully I can upgrade it. Thinking. What car should I get next? I want this one. This one. The Aston Martin Vantage. Garage. Spawn. There we go. I'm going back to my dealership. Holy, you get $10 million? How much? 3,000 Robux. Bad deal. No one should get that thing. Driving around town. Breaking all the street laws. Yay! Breaking private property's fun. And wait, what is this place? What is this place? Oh, I thought it'd be an auto shop. Oof. That isn't working. Here's mine. Ooh, I should use the car door. I haven't used that. Oh. There we go. Please wait. No, this is my elevator. I should have private access. Elevator is having technical difficulties. Get out as soon as possible. Okay, good. Is it working? Okay, we'll set that back down. There we go. Getting into the working space. Working. I don't know what to work on. No, that's quiet. Yeah, be quiet. There we go. Now they're gonna be hunting for me. Oh, they're alive. I'm trying to find where I live. They are going to be mad at me. Which car should I drive? These... Okay, then there's a good request. I do have a Alfa Romeo. There it is. Not even close to as fast as my other car. Silent driving. If you hear tiny whispering noises from unusual creatures, those are the siblings. Yay, evil siblings. Not evil. When will I get my car? We're just going to drive around in circles. By the way, this video is possible by Screencast-O-Matic. Great free site. Go download it. Great audio. Well, I'm using my own microphone, but, well, it's recording the screen right now. So should this be part 1? Or should there be more parts to this? Or, I don't know. Jagger, should there be more parts to this?
Yeah! Okay. Hi.
Siblings are evil.
Not me.
He's the only non-evil sibling. What is this maniac doing on the side of the road? What is he doing? Oh, get back here, get back here, get back here, get back here, get back here.
You're being an idiot. My right.
I'm driving in him. I'm driving with him.
Oh. Wait, you're driving?
No, I'm driving with him.
Bell cars? What's that?
Whoa, this is a very fast car.
I used to work on
This is a very fast
Porsche.
Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Yes,
What?
we are very close to my goal of $170,000. So,
You're gonna drive that?
I'm gonna actually get more money while driving my car.
Is that a Corvette?
No, it's the Jaguar F-Type.
Oh. This looks like a Corvette. Because
Well, I mean, from the back, yeah, it does kind of look like a
and
Corvette.
also the farm.
No, the front, that's a
It looks
Jaguar.
like a Tesla to me. Yeah, me too.
Ooh, yay. Goal has been reached. I have exploded. Vaporized.
You have exploded
You have
with
exploded
joy.
in happiness.
Okay?
Oh, there we go.
Which one are you gonna get? What car are you gonna get?
Oh my, that is a big problem.
What?
I now have to work $20,000 more.
What?
That's a problem. Well, back to driving.
You're... Oh! Oh, yay. What car is this?
It's a Toyota. Don't be worried if you can't see the Toyota. Because
Overrev.
my brother is playing a drag race game. My little top hat's stuck. There we go.
Yay! It's finished.
He has won. He might do some videos on that game as well.
No, Need for Speed.
Oh yeah, he might do some videos on his Need for Speed game. Just saying, recommendation. I'm not sponsored by anyone. I'm not sponsored by anyone or anything. Just saying, play Need for Speed No Limits, I guess. The free one that's on the App Store or something. It's a really good game.
Yeah, that was. You're not joking.
He's 6 and he plays it.
Yeah.
Hopefully the audio is working, and if it isn't, well, this would be a whole waste of 10 minutes. Explosion!
Explosion! Choose this car.
Okay.
A Mazda.
Boom. There we go. Oh wait, I forgot to buy the car now. That's it. Yeah, it's the same one. Well, the car is right here. Now, we just have to put it in the thing. Oh wait, over here. There we go. Look at this beautiful car. Let's go up the elevator and see if we can drive it around.
Which car? Whose car is it? What car is it? Oh.
There it is. This big fat red car over there.
Oh.
Look at this one.
Oh,
Look
an
at
Aston Martin.
So much detail on these models. Okay. Now we go to our garage. Go there. Spawn it. Get in the car. Let's drive it around. Whoa!
Nice.
I don't think that's how. Oh, hello. Flip.
Nice.
There we go.
Nice.
Um,
Nice.
I've broken the game.
Nice.
Well, maybe we get to test out this car in the next video because, well,
I said there's gonna be more parts.
well, yes, there will be more parts. So, and maybe next video, after we test it out, we can grind for some more cars. So, goodbye, everyone. Jack, would you like to say goodbye?
Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Goodbye.